how to get fast buyers traffic, buyers clicks with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2026. Now, if you want to make fast money, fast commissions in your first 1 to 2 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing without running ads, yes, it's totally doable. But we are using the different type or method and structure of ad campaigns, of traffic source. So those are called buyers clicks. Now, as you can see over here, I'm in the ClickBank marketplace. If you don't know what is that, it's ClickBank affiliate network where you can go for free and promote different offers. Now, I know lots of people have been asking me what offers are doing well. I'm super affiliate. I'm doing it for many, many years. Okay, I'm full-time super affiliate, promoting different affiliate offers online, traveling all around the world. You can follow me on Instagram later. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because this kind of business can absolutely give you the location freedom and time freedom, but also financial freedom if you take action. Now, as you can see, right, with these offers, you have weight loss or neutral offers. What I like to do is I like to choose private offers, but also the offers that tend to do really well on the upsell take rate. Okay, because I want to make the most money on my Google ad spend, or in this case, buyers clicks. Now, how it works, let me show you. Right here, you can promote different offers on ClickBank, right? But what I do is, after I get my affiliate link in ClickFunnels, I build emotionally compelling ad pre-sale page. Basically, pre-sale page is the page on, let's say it's a blog page. It's a before sales page. Before the sales happen, you have to pre-sell people, your audience, on 5 steps. There are 5 steps, and if you miss one of those steps, let's say you have only 2 steps out of 5, you basically have low conversion rate, or you are going to lose time and money running ads. That's why it's very important to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by guiding you and hand-holding you in 2026. Okay? And when I work with my students, this is what we do over the Zoom call, one-on-one. We set up the campaign. I give them the exact quiz funnels built on ClickFunnels that are basically converting really well based on audience. Are they males? Are they females? What is the age target group? Geolocations? All this matters. Okay. Now let me show you how this works with buyers traffic. If I go over here, right, you'll see right now we call this the shotgun traffic method. Okay. Okay. So shotgun buyers traffic over here, you can see. Now the most important thing is that this is as a bonus as well when we work together one-on-one. Usually it's $2,000 just the approach, because it shows you exactly how you can get sales on ClickBank in first 1 to 2 days, basically up to 48 hours. It's super simple and easy to set up, but what's important is psychology behind it, right? Because you can send traffic to any ClickBank offer, but I give personally to my students and clients offers that I'm personally promoting that are doing well for me and other people as well, right? And no, you won't be making $10,000 overnight. No, but what you could make is another $500 in a day, maybe 300 euros in a day, right? Yes, that's totally easy and doable once you have the right offer and someone to show you the shotgun traffic buyers clicks approach, right? So you can see, you can send any traffic and you can start with as little as 10 to 50 US dollars per day. You have different packages, right? You don't have to post on social media. You don't have to make any YouTube videos. You don't have to wait for SEO, right? Or 6 months to rank. No, this is control traffic, all right? So those are people who are emotionally invested and primed to already buy now. That's the most important thing, all right? So you can see some of the packages we have over here with buyers clicks, okay? This, we allow you to use our traffic from newsletters, exact traffic that's proven to convert, that's not older than 30 to 60 days. So those are the prime buyers. We call them self-help or personal development junkies, okay? People who are buying low-ticket products. Now, who is this designed for? These traffic packages are designed for affiliate marketers, for people who want fast and easy results, all right? So if you're tired of junk clicks, if you're tired of free traffic that doesn't convert, organic growth that take weeks or even years to build, okay? And if you're tired of doing email marketing, growing your email list, which takes years to build a relationship with, right? Then you can stop here, because this is something that can allow you, and it will allow you to start having simple daily sales on ClickBank as a beginner, as a newbie, without having any IT experience, right? So this isn't based on any viral videos, on any viral hacks or tricks, not solo ads, okay, or not cheap traffic that doesn't convert and get you sales. So its main focus with shotgun traffic approach in 2026 is high intent, okay, buyers clicks, buyers intent. Second of all, speed is very fast, is testing fast, and is scaling what works, okay? So we are scaling and building on what already it's proven to convert and work. So we are deploying those affiliate campaigns, okay? So you don't have to invent anything. It's all done for you and done together with you. So you can actually start seeing results on a daily basis. And honestly, you don't have to take the biggest package. You can start with the smallest or the middle one. And as you get sales and as you get results, you can reinvest to get more money, more affiliate sales on ClickBank commissions, okay? So as you watch this video, you can connect with me one-on-one, all right? There is my Instagram. You can see I traveled to over 69 countries thanks to being ClickBank super affiliate. You have also my personal phone number, okay? Personal WhatsApp number, my email, and Facebook Messenger. All is in the description under this video. But only reach out to me if you actually want to have simple, scalable, daily sales on ClickBank as a beginner without making videos, okay, without having to invest hours or having some expensive software. This we connect over the Zoom call sometimes if you want, or even not, or WhatsApp call, WhatsApp text. You can reach out to me. Yes, I'm giving you my personal access, personal relationship with personal leadership, as long as you're serious that you actually want to have scalable campaigns and make money online in 2026.